Welcome to Belize Tropical Dream Villas, a guest-rated 5-star income-producing property within San Pedro town. We're located just a half a mile south of the heart of it all, and you're within walking distance, 2 blocks from the Caribbean, water taxi, island hotspots including Frenchies, and many more attractions. Whether you want to be hands-on with guests or perhaps you prefer a more passive approach, Belize Tropical Dream Villas can be the right option for you. Let your investment property here work for you while you enjoy island life. What if your next investment didn't just provide you income? It provided you access to a tropical lifestyle in the Caribbean that only many people dream about. This building includes 7 income-producing units, 6 one-bedroom units that are used as nightly rentals, and 1 2-bedroom unit that is used as a long-term rental. Guests love their time here at Belize Tropical Dream Villas. You can look at the reviews, see the positive reviews, and also as a result, this property tends to see a lot of repeat visitors. What is unique about Belize Tropical Dream Villas is the fact that they cater to a different clientele than most of the properties here on the island. They are looking for people who are coming for an affordable vacation and perhaps people who are looking for a longer term stay. Not necessarily a few nights, but not necessarily 6 months or more. This is called the mid-range stay, and there are not many properties here on Ambergris Caye that cater to that market. But think about it, digital nomads, people who are looking to get away from the harsh cold winters up north, people who just want to test drive island living are coming down and looking for a place that they can spend a few months in. This property here does an incredible job at catering to this unique marketplace. Established turnkey opportunities do not come around like this often. If you're interested in learning more about how you can be the owner of Belize Tropical Dream Villas, make sure you reach out. Our team is more than happy to assist. Have a great day.